Good morning, everyone. This is Digvijay Pratap Singh. Today, I am here live to discuss about the pattern of CBSE for the board exam class 10. What is the new circular according to which we will discuss here according to the new circular issued by CBSE. So I have written here CBSE board exam pattern 2021 to 2022 changed. It means this year the syllabus or the pattern has been changed. Last year it was reduced by 30% only, but now this year it has some special assessment scheme for session 2021 to 2022. So now see, the academic year 2021-2022 has been divided into two terms. Okay, as we see in our graduation that we used to give exam term wise. Okay, so here term 1 exam and term 2 exam. Term 1 will be the of weightage 50% and term 2 will be the of weightage 50% of your syllabus. It means your term 1, what will be the term 1 syllabus? Not one thing, that CBSE has not disclosed the syllabus of 2021 to 2022. It has told that it will give a new circular by this July and it will give the syllabus. So now see, 50% of term 1 and 50% of term 2. Okay, now when the exam will conduct. Okay, so the term 1 exam will conduct from November to December. It means within November to December 2021. Okay, and term 2 exam March to April 2022. So first term will be in this year, November 2021, and the second term will be in March to April 2022. Now, how would be the question paper format? So now see, term 1 will be of 90-minute paper in MCQ format with rationalized syllabus of term 1. It means what? Rationalized syllabus of term 1. So first thing you have to note that the paper term 1 will be of 90 minutes in MCQ format. And what is the meaning of rationalized syllabus? Rationalized means reduced. It means CBSE will reduce your syllabus, but it will issue a new circular in which it will discuss about the syllabus of reduced 50%. What will be the term of 50% of term 1 and what will be the syllabus of 50% of term 2. Now, term 2. Term 2 is likely to be 2 hours paper. It means the duration of time is 2 hours in descriptive format. Descriptive. The term 1 is of MCQ format and the term 2 is of descriptive format. And it will cover the remaining rationalized syllabus. Again here, remaining rationalized. It means what will be the syllabus of term 2. Also it will be rationalized. It means it will be reduced. Okay. Now, here are some conditions. Okay, as we all know that this is the situation of pandemic. Okay, and the schools are closed, students are getting online education, teachers are teaching online. So, if the school opens this year, then exam will conduct in school itself. It means that term 1 will be in school itself. Okay, and in term 2, if school opens, there is a condition. If school opens, अगर school खुलता है तो the centers will be allotted. It means for term 2, you have to appear in exam at your centers. Okay, this is the criteria when your school will be open. But if you will see the today's condition, then I think there is no possibility of opening schools this year. But if the cases will be more reduced, okay, then it can open up to October, November. Then you have to appear for your exam in the school. Okay. Now we will talk about the other situation. Okay. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot of this. So one thing is clear, that a student have to study throughout the year for term 1 and for term 2. Now we will see the condition. If here is some clarification that CBSE has issued on uncertainties. So clarification on uncertainties. If school remains closed for first term and opens for second term, what will be the condition when schools will be closed for first term and it will open for second term? Then what would be there by the guidelines? Term 1. Term 1 will be conducted online or offline. Either it will be online or offline from home. So here it is clear that first term will be of MCQ and it will be at home. If the school remains closed for first term, either it will be in online mode or offline. It means you have to appear for online. Your school will arrange for you, or otherwise you will give your exam offline at your home in written. Okay. So now term 2. How will be the condition when it will open for term 2? So term 2 will be conducted at centers. If the school will open, then term 2 will be conducted at centers as per the guidelines and issued under the scheme. जो CBSE ने स्कीम अपना लॉन्च किया गाइडलाइंस का, उसके तहत कुछ गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो करके सेकेंड टर्म इट मींस टर्म 2 will be conducted at centers. बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए आप लोग सेंटर्स पे जाएंगे एग्जाम देने के लिए. ओके. नाउ व्हाट विल द वेटेज? तो वेटेज ऑफ टर्म 1 एग्जाम फॉर फाइनल स्कोर विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. इट मींस अगर ऐसा होता है कि फर्स्ट टर्म में स्कूल बंद रहता है और सेकेंड टर्म में स्कूल खुलता है, तो फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए फर्स्ट टर्म इट मींस एमसीक्यू में जो आप एग्जाम देंगे दैट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. इट मींस वेटेज ऑफ टर्म 1 एग्जाम फॉर फाइनल स्कोर विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. यानी टर्म 1 का सिलेबस रिड्यूस हो जाएगा, वेटेज भी रिड्यूस रहेगा. एंड वेटेज ऑफ टर्म 2 हियर it is point to note that in term 2 will the increased for declaration of final result. It means your final result will be based on term 2 and its weightage will be increased, but when there is a condition when school opens for second term. Now we will talk about the next uncertainties. Okay, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot of this. Now we will talk about our second uncertainties. Okay, so here is the clarification on uncertainties on second. That if second condition is there that if school opens for term 1, it means here the school opens. Okay, opens for term 1 and remain closed for term 2. Suppose if the case is reduced, then it will open for term 1. So what would be the exam pattern? How? So exam will be conducted for term 1 MCQ. So it is clear that you have to give your exam anyhow. Okay, term 1 you have to give in MCQ format. Okay, the exam will be conducted. Okay, this is the condition when school opens for first term and remains closed for second terms. So last year what happened? So if that condition creates again, then you will have to appear for your term 1 in MCQ format, and you have to also give internal assessment. One of the most important thing, internal assessment. Okay, and your marks will be calculated on the basis of these two. So here is again also two condition. Okay, it means two clarification that how would be the result how would be the result clarified. The result will be based on the performance of the students. First one is that your result will be based on the performance of term 1. Okay, the result will be issued on the performance of term 1. If the school opens for term 1 and remains closed for term 2. Again, in case the situation is not conductive, it means not good for taking exam, then for normal descriptive, एक छोटा सा डिस्क्रिप्टिव टेस्ट आपका होगा. फॉर नॉर्मल डिस्क्रिप्टिव एग्जामिनेशन a 90-minute MCQ based exam will be conducted at the end of the term 2 also. It means if the school remains open for term 1 and closed for term 2, then in that situation this will be applied by the schools of CBSE that you have to appear for 90-minute MCQ based question at the end of term 2 also. That will decide your result. Okay. Now the third condition, we will talk about the third condition. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot of this. Now here is the third case. Okay, the third case, the third uncertainties we will talk about. If the school remains closed for both the term, it means term 1 and term 2. both the term exam will be conducted. तो दोनों एग्जाम आपको होगा, यानी कि एग्जाम आपको होगा ही होगा, either in offline or online mode manner from home. It means it is clear that you have to go to your exam either online or offline at your home. Then how the result will be published? So result will be computed on the basis of the internal assessment, practicals, project work and theory marks. So here, what is theory marks? The theory marks is the marks which you are giving of 90 minutes in MCQ format. Okay, so the result will be computed on the basis of internal assessment, project, practical work and theory marks. Now, you need to know that now CBSE has not yet declared the syllabus, that what it is going to reduce. So it will declare the syllabus by this month, it means July 2021. So now see, what is the points to remember? Rationalized syllabus will be notified by CBSE in July 2021. It means the reduced syllabus will be notified by CBSE in 2021 July. Now, internal assessment project practicals will have important role in preparation of final result. So, with internal assessment, which you are going to give of 90 minutes in MCQ format, along with this, your project, your practical will have the same role, will play an important role in deciding or in the preparation of your final result. So, I hope you understand the format of CBSE that has changed for the year 2021 to 2022. Last year it has been reduced by 30%, but this year it has done some changes and divided into term wise. So if you understand this, then like the video, do subscribe, and thank you. And again we will hear for the rationalized syllabus. When the CBSE will circulate the new circular regarding the rationalized syllabus, then again we will be here to understand the syllabus of CBSE board 2021 to 2022 class 10. Okay, thank you.